Alright guys, got one of my favorite trucks. Just got towed in. Got the tablet hooked up to it. Let's see what the faults are. I mean, it's one of my favorite trucks to work on. Look how clean they keep it. I mean, look at that. That's pretty awesome. Let's see what the faults are. Maybe, there we go. That's a turbocharger code and an EGR system. We're going to take those codes and put them into quick serve, and we'll see what quick serve has to say about it. So we'll be back. Alright guys, got quick serve up. Gotta put the engine serial number in there, which I have right here, and stand by. Let me get that done. Now we can hit service, and then fault code search. Then you put your fault codes in here. We have 5177, and we have 3382. Last one is 6255. And you hit analyze, and it'll tell us where to start. So the one up top, the 5177 is where we're going to start. And I'm going to hit that top number, and it's going to lead us to our troubleshooting tree. It's an actuator, turbo actuator code, VGT actuator circuit. Fault code indicates ECM did not receive the turbocharger actuator identification message from the VGT. So it's probably going to need an actuator. And troubleshoot. This is the actual troubleshooting tree. So I'm going to run through this and see if we can't figure out what's going on. Alright, it wants us to check for dielectric grease and water intrusion in the connectors. The 14 pin and the connector on the VGT actuator. It says that's water intrusion. If there's evidence of dielectric grease usage in the connector, remove the dielectric grease and clean the connector. If there's evidence of water intrusion through into the connector, follow corresponding service manual procedure, repair or replace the connector. That's pretty much what I'm going to check now. So let me take you guys around to the turbo on the truck. Let me put some weight on it. This connector right here. We're checking this for water intrusion or dielectric grease. I'd like to set you guys up because this thing is very, very dirty. No dielectric grease. That actually looks really good for as dirty as the truck is. I don't see nothing wrong there. I gotta find the 14 pin connector and see where that's at. Check it. Pretty sure it's on the other side of the truck. Make sure it's not here. There it is. That connector right there is a 14 pin connector. We'll have to get that apart and check it. So we'll be right back. Alright guys, I got the 14 pin connector undone. That's right here. I'll edit this video so it's not so bad. That all looks good. There's no water intrusion. That's the other side of the connector in there. I'm pretty sure you can see it. So let me put that back together and we'll go from there. Alright, we found no dielectric grease and no water intrusion in the connector, so that's all good. The repair is to replace the variable geometry turbocharger actuator, so it's going to need an actuator. So let me get that ordered and then we'll make a video of me changing that out if I get it today or tomorrow, but we'll be changing it out. Thanks for watching, guys. Please like, subscribe, share, comment. You all know what to do. See you.